mami, ¿qué más? Hay algo en ti que me tiene mal. Una belleza que
눈물 나가 또 웃음 나가 Every time 나 그런 것 숨기지 못해 거짓말하네 Oh 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 매 순간 속에 매 감정 속에 한 장 한 장 가득 찬 쏟아지는 rain sunshine 늘 달라주다 Oh oh oh
No, hold on, let's park for a second and figure out where we're going. Yeah. We're just trying to find Portsalon Beach. Yeah, we're just that's oh there, I think there to the left, Martin, was it?
Yeah.
Or was that the golf? How you get into the golf course? I don't know. We're kind of lost. Portsalon Beach. Oh, there's the beach there. Wow. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is gorgeous.
Hello guys, we are in Donegal in Portsalon for the weekend, and we're gonna hit some interesting places in Donegal and vlog about it. Right now we are in Portsalon Cottage. Portsalon Cottage offers a living room where guests can enjoy an indoor play area perfect for children. The cottage includes a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and a patio with garden views. Free on-site private parking is available, 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
Flame in your eyes. Let's get ready tonight. We don't have to get bitten, so don't hold me back. We don't have my side. Why can't you be the light that I need?
This bedroom has a king-size bed and an ensuite toilet and shower. TV, the hallway is beautifully decorated, and this beautiful bedroom has a different theme, and it comes with a king-size bed and also with an ensuite toilet and shower. Then you walk through the hallway, another bedroom which has a different kind of theme going on, and also has a king-size bed. And this is another bedroom with a different theme and also comes with a king-size bed. Very spacious and very comfortable bed. This bedroom comes with 2 bunk beds, perfect for children. The Portsalon Beach is a long sanded beach. It was once voted as the second most beautiful beach in the world by readers of Observer. So we're going to visit that beach and vlog about it. And welcome to Portsalon Beach, County Donegal, a place where Ireland's wild beauty truly comes alive. On this day, the wind was very strong, the waves were wild, but we had fun, a lot of laughter, and just enjoying our time at the beach. We brought our DJI Neo drone and our Sony ZV-1M2 camera. So we're able to record and capture all the moments at the beach. It was a lovely experience. As you can see, it is a lovely, clean beach, sandy beach. And our kids had loads of fun just being at the beach. We're able to capture amazing shots of the whole family with our DJI Neo drone. We came across this bridge. And we crossed the bridge. I don't know if the bridge has a name, but if you are from Donegal and you know the name of the bridge, leave the name in the comment section. It would be good to know if the bridge has a name. It was a lovely experience at the beach. We had loads of fun, just enjoying the moments, enjoying the scenery, and enjoying each other's company.
We're at the beach right now. It's very windy, like really windy. We're vlogging today, so we're actually at the beach. It's like really fun. So we're kind of just walking. We're actually heading back now because it's kind of like rainy a little bit. So we're at the beach and it's fun. So yeah, so.
In general, Donegal is very beautiful. A lot of hills, a lot of mountains, and very beautiful place. And people are quite friendly, very friendly. We visited the Repose restaurant.
You're putting all the good brainwashes to get lost, bro. No.
What are you playing?
No, steal a brain rot modded.
It's a new model, is it?
No, steal a brain rot but modded, like extra luck.
What? What's going?
Steal a brain rot.
What kind of game is that?
You steal a brain rot.
Oh my god, glasses
Dad, I would delete
with
that
the
clip.
moon mutation with Galaxy 2.
I would delete that clip when you ask what kind of game is that. It's the most famous game on Roblox.
You can't
what?
believe it.
Most
He got
famous
so
game
many
on Roblox.
plays.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't play Roblox.
He's so annoying. I think I'm getting. Your base is open.
I said, what kind of game is that? What's that? And she said, still playing on Roblox.
Oh.
And I was like, what is still playing on Roblox?
Yeah.
And she's like, I think I should delete that clip. That's the most famous game of Roblox.
Oh.
I said, I don't know Roblox.
So Joshua with the king of chicken wings. Just try and ripple chicken wings. What's your rating, Josh? It's a good one, isn't it?
200 out of 200.
200 out of 200. That's good. You take the chicken wings very serious, don't you, Josh? Sing your song.
Where we had dinner, the staffs were very friendly.
That's good on you. No.
and the food was delicious.
And over blame one.
It's okay.
And it was a beautiful experience.
You got flame in your eyes. Let's get ready tonight. We don't have to get ready, so don't hold me back. You don't have my side. Why can't you be? What did I do? Can't you see what you've done to me?
We just left Ripples and there is big stormy weather, isn't there? We got lashed on. Absolutely, it's so windy.
We'll take you on a journey and we will vlog all the experiences and let you know. You can make a decision if you want to visit or not. Thanks for watching.